हेलो जी, हेलो एवरीवन। हाय नौशीन जी, हाय डॉली मैम, हाय गीता मेहता जी, थैंक यू सिद्धिका जी, थैंक यू। Your stars are really making us happy. Thank you so much. So let's start. Hello everyone, this is Meenu from Asin Boutique Delhi. Today we are launching our casual wear collection, but all the pieces are fresh pieces. They are not sale pieces today. So hopefully you all are going to like our video. Am I audible? And as you all know, you just have to share our video. We will be announcing the 3 lucky winners by the end of this video, and they will be getting the gift voucher from us. So let's get started. We don't have any other colors than what we are showing in the video. So these are the only colors available, whatever we are showing in this video. It's a blue color. It's a beautiful anarkali kurta. You can see the embroidery. Embroidery on the yoke. This is all embroidery. You can see the beautiful tassels and the crochet work on the sleeves. You can see the gota detailing on the flare of the kurta, as well as the beautiful crochet lace on the hem of the kurta. It's a beautiful piece. Pink and blue combination, anarkali. Only color available is blue. We don't have any other colors. This is a 3-piece set. इसके साथ दुपट्टा भी है जी, ट्राउजर भी है, 3-piece set है. This will be the look of the kurta. It's a beautiful piece. Anarkali. Initially we launched 2-3 colors, but we are left with this only. And ये इसके ट्राउजर है जी, लूज प्लाजो है, पैंट है. ये बहुत टाइट सिगरेट पैंट नहीं है. दिस इज a loose trouser. And I'll show you the dupatta. It has a beautiful dupatta. ये दुपट्टा है जी. This is a 3-piece set and price is 1810. शिपिंग फ्री नहीं है जी, शिपिंग अलग से है. शिपिंग इंक्लूसिव नहीं है, शिपिंग फ्री नहीं है जी. आजकल कोविड की वजह से बहुत हाई चार्जेस हम पे कर रहे हैं, कोविड टैक्स भी पे कर रहे हैं जी शिपिंग के. और 2 पीसेस एक डिलीवरी चार्ज पे नहीं जा सकता, क्योंकि जैसे वेट बढ़ता है वो डायमेंशनल और वॉल्यूम की तरह वेट दोनों तरफ से वो मेजर करते हैं, तो हमें शिपिंग डबल ही लगती है. अगर 2 पीसेस आप ऑर्डर करते हैं तो शिपिंग अलग ही होती है जी. एंड दिस इज अ दुपट्टा, ट्राउजर. ओनली ब्लू कलर अवेलेबल जी, और कलर अवेलेबल नहीं है. एंड दिस इज अ कुर्ता. साइजेस हैं स्मॉल से लेके 44, दैट इज स्मॉल टू 44, 36 टू 44. एंड आप लेंथ पूछते तो मैं आपको लेंथ भी बता दूं इसकी. द लेंथ ऑफ दिस कुर्ता इज 52. लेंथ ऑफ दिस कुर्ता इज 52. ठीक है जी. अनारकली कुर्ता, प्राइस इज 1810. Next one is very beautiful kurta. It's all foil work. It's beautiful color, blue color. This is a 2-piece set. इसके साथ दुपट्टा नहीं है. It's very pretty color, very pretty. This is embroidery, sequins, sleeves, इजी वॉश घर पे कर सकते हैं. इट डजंट रिक्वायर एनी ड्राई क्लीनिंग. यू कैन ईजिली वॉश इट एट होम, बट प्लीज डोंट यूज अ ब्रश. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पीस. इनिशियली वी लॉन्च 2-3 कलर्स, बट नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट ओनली विद द ब्लू कलर. इसमें सिर्फ ब्लू कलर है जी, और कलर्स नहीं है. 1695 is the price. 1695 is the price. I'll show you the look of the kurta. This will be the look of the kurta. It's a beautiful piece. And the length of this kurta is, all the standard lengths of the kurta is 46, 47. Yeah, it's 46. जितने भी स्ट्रेट कुर्तास होते हैं उनकी स्टैंडर्ड लेंथ 46 या 47 ही होती है जी. दिस इज 46 ओनली. आई शो यू द डिवाइडर विद दिस कुर्ता. इसके साथ ये डिवाइडर है जी. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पीस. 2 पीस सेट है. ये डिवाइडर है. इस पे भी सारा फॉइल वर्क है, आप देख सकते हो. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पीस. साइजेस अवेलेबल आर 36 to 44 एंड द प्राइस इज 1695. नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीस. इसकी बहुत क्वेरी आई है जी. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीसेस आर सोल्ड आउट, बट आई रियली वांटेड टू हैव you all to have a look at this kurta. It's a beautiful kurta. You can see this will be the look of the kurta. Embroidery, beautiful print, mustard color. It's not very flared, but you can see the beautiful color combination on the hem of the kurta as well. This is pink print, and these are the sleeves. The hem of the the yoke of the kurta is very pretty. You can see it's looking very beautiful. It's a 3-piece set and very economical. It's just priced at 1595. Sorry, 1585 is the price. And the sizes available are this will be the look of the
1595.
Sorry, 1595 is the price. And this is the trouser. It's a beautiful printed trouser. You can see the work on the hem of the trouser as well. It's a very beautiful color combination and print. With chiffon dupatta. This is the dupatta. We have very few pieces left, so hurry up. Very beautiful dupatta. You can see 3-piece set. 1595 is the price. We don't have 46 left. 46 is all sold out. We are just left with 38 to 44. I'll show you the look. This is dupatta. This is trouser. And I'll show you the kurta. It's not very flat, but this will be the flat. This is rayon fabric. This is not cotton. This is rayon, but it's very fine rayon. And the length of the kurta is 50. I think so. Yes, 50 is the length of the kurta. Length of kurta is 50. You want me to show you it one more time? Now we are left with 2 more very elegant pieces. They are fully flared anarkalis. The length is more than 50. And I'll show you the best part. See, these are very elegant pieces. The pics of these pieces are there on our website, and the best part is they don't have joint on the waist. Most of the ladies, they have the problem when anarkalis have the joint on the waist. It's not having any joint on the waist, and the kalis are starting here from the shoulder itself. I'll show you the back so that you can understand what I'm saying. See, the kalis are starting from here itself, not from the center or the waist. They are starting from here itself. So it looks very elegant. See, no joints at all. See, it's starting from here and kalis are going down up to hem. So this will be the look. Color combination is very pretty. It's magical blue and pink. This will be the look. It's a beautiful piece. The flare is quite good, and this is all very fine embroidery. You can see this is all embroidery. Color combination is very pretty. Sleeves, I'll show you the gota detailing on the sleeves. And this is a trouser. They look more like gowns, but they are very elegant pieces. I'll show you the dupatta also. See how beautiful dupatta is. See, this is the dupatta with this piece. This is the dupatta. It's a beautiful piece. We have 3 pieces in this set: dupatta, trouser and kurta. I'll let you know the length. It's 50 plus, so it must be 52, 53. The length of this kurta is 52. Length of this kurta is 52. It's a beautiful piece. See, the length of this kurta is 52. Price rate 1900. Sizes available are 36 to 46, and it's pure cotton. I'll show you one more piece in same pattern. Initially we launched it, there was so much of query, they all wanted to have the look. So again, the kalis are starting from the shoulder, and this is a yoke of the kurta with a beautiful embroidery. Zari work, it's a beautiful embroidery. Sleeves, color combination is very pretty, as you all can see. Please don't forget to share our video. To place the order, you just need to take the screenshot and share with us on our number 9267951520. That's all. And you can also place order on website www.asinboutique.com. So this will be the look of the kurta. Again, the kalis are not starting from the waist. We don't have any joint on the waist. It's starting from here itself, from the top of the kurta. So this will be the back. Again, it's having very beautiful trouser and dupatta. I'll show you the trouser first. This is the trouser. This is with pure chanderi dupatta. This is the dupatta. This is pure chanderi dupatta. 3-piece set, price at 1900, and the sizes available are 38 and 44 and 42. We don't have 40 in this. So this will be the look. That's all for today. If you like any of these pieces, please take a screenshot and share with us on a number 9267951520. So let's see who the lucky winners are for today. Tina Kamal Kakkad. Rekha Srivastav. And the third prize goes to Meenakshi Gaur. Thank you. That's all for today. If you like any of these pieces, please take a screenshot and share with us on a number 9267951520. Thank you.